Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are fine. So today we are going to see how you can convert a CSV file into a shapefile. So suppose you have a number of latitude and longitude in WGS84 coordinate system. So how you can convert all those latitude and longitudes at once. So we will see it today. This is a website where you can find the coordinates, but you can get yours. So I have written down a few sample coordinates. I just wanted to show like from where I got it. So if you come here and you type latitude.2 and then articles by country, you can go to your country and then you can click on show coordinates and you can see these ones. So be careful. We are going to have that degree decimal coordinates, not the degree minute seconds. So you may find many tutorials like how you can convert degree minute seconds to degree decimal. So I'm going to show you how you can convert your degree decimal latitude and longitude with your remarks. Suppose you have hundreds of coordinates with remarks that you want to plot. So how you can do it on ArcGIS Pro 3. So let's do it. So I have created a CSV file which called POIS_AUS.CSV and I put into a folder where I want to put it. So here you can see I just put it here. And these are the coordinates that I created. So now we are going to write a simple script on, first I imported ArcPy module and then I define the workspace where I have my CSV file. So this is my CSV file and its name, and also the output, like which should be the output, and it to be saved inside your workspace. And afterwards, with this function, which you will find here, table xy table to point. So this is the function that I have used with these parameters. So please go through to this page to get the idea. So here you can also see a sample script, so you can use that one as well. So now this is the CSV file, which is my input, and this is my output shapefile. I'm converting a CSV file into shapefile, so you can convert it into geodatabase or something else that you're looking for, geopackage or something else. And you need to define your longitude and your latitude. So here my longitude field is written as longitude and my latitude field is latitude. But if you have it long and lat, so you need to define it here. So be careful, that schema is very important. So here I need to put this like this. So, and then these are two blank parameters that we don't need. And then I just wrote like a print, like if it will be done, then it will give me this line. Well done, you have created a shapefile. That's it. So now we are going to run it. So you can run it from here. So be careful that you have chosen the correct Python file, or otherwise you can run it right clicking on here. Yeah, save it, run it. So shapefile created. We don't know what created, so you can see here we have created that one. So let's open the shapefile on ArcGIS Pro. So this is the one. So this is the shapefile basically. So I'm just going to import that one. And now we can see, so these are the points: Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. And if you come here and if you click on any of the points, and it will tell you about the lat, long, and remarks. You can also see it from here, attribute table, and you will find the same points as like in your CSV. So the same thing. So this is the way you can change it, but remember this one is in WGS84. So be careful if you're changing your lat long. So otherwise it will not be working properly. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, thank you for watching my video, and please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube.